Yes, there was supposed to be a red card, but not from the defender one for Duba when he kicked Maketleni. Initially, it was supposed to be a red card. Beside the other action of him fighting, pulling each other, whatever the case may be, for me, I was not really interested in that. I was interested in that action of him kicking Maketleni. He was supposed to get a red card. And then going to the one of pulling. Look, in football, they say if there's an opponent, even if it's not direct in front of you, but on the side, and you are not directed to the poles, they pull you, it will be a yellow card, not a red card. But if there was no one covering, meaning Unkota was directed, then they pull him, that's a straight red card. So I think we just need to teach each other in terms of how the law applies in the game because they look at those things to say the action was this way, he was from the side, there was the cover. I think the cover was Benika. Not per se, I would say 100% covering, but giving seconds when Kota was making that run, it means he was going to cover Kota and maybe create a situation of 2v1. But that's why he didn't get a red card, he got a yellow card. And for him to take that decision, that was brave of him. And that's why I'm saying Chiefs they wanted to win more than Orlando Pirates because of decision making, the fighting spirit, how these boys they fought in the game. They keep on fighting. They knew that we don't have that luxury.
Omni Sports. Break it down. Africa's premier sports destination.